You don't like being the lawyer, do you?
I don't mind.
Put your lawyer mindset on, it'll be good. Potato, hurry, hurry! You're 2 minutes late, potato!
Should I like in character drive there, just like in a mess?
He'll TP, just TP.
I'll TP,
to
I'll TP.
Rico. TP to Rico.
I was gonna say, if I just drove there, just like, Your Honor, I'm sorry, I'm late.
No, we haven't really been getting yet, so
Alright. Penzone, did you see the evidence? No, but did you see what you showed me? the thing where you said it's gonna be funny in court.
Oh yeah, I think
Alright.
The only one thing that we don't have is
He's not here? Why?
He's probably up hella late last night.
That's very true. Hey there.
Hey.
You can't change your outfit through the give character customization thing.
What do you mean?
So you know how like you can change with the admin thing, you can give people the character customization thing.
Yeah.
You can't pick selected outfits there?
No.
Aw, what?
No. So let's do it.
Where can you change your outfits?
At a store.
No, because at a store it doesn't let you either.
Well, it's either got to be like a save. You talking about your saved outfits?
Yeah.
No, that's at your house.
Either
a house or PD.
Only your house.
Yeah.
Wow, I did not know that.
Yeah, it's either that or PD.
All right. Are you ready, Chief? I'm kind of nervous.
It is what it is.
Court makes me nervous. How you doing, Penzone?
Good afternoon, huge butthole.
Oh my God, Doofy! I thought you were in prison. God damn it!
I never get in prison.
Oh my God! Goddamn menace to society! I swear to God.
Alright, so I think this is gonna be everyone that's gonna attend.
Yeah, but Penzone just littered on the floor right here. Right here, that you just dropped this bottle on the floor. All right.
All right, everyone here that's gonna be here.
I think so, yes, sir.
Yes, I do believe so.
Okay, does anyone want to act as my bailiff to swear everyone in?
I'll do it.
Okay, go ahead whenever you're ready.
Oh, there's a dog over there. I was like, what the hell is that? All right.
Where?
It's over there to my left. All right. So basically everyone here is probably going to get called to the stand. So I need everyone to just raise their left hand. That includes you as well, Hugh.
You calling me a liar, Chief?
No, sir. Your Honor, you're probably
Alright.
going to get questioned on a couple of events too. So you're probably going to want to go ahead and raise your hand as well.
Okay.
Isn't he sworn in by default?
Yeah, but let's just do everything by the book. Does everyone here swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Yes, sir.
I do. I do.
Yes, sir.
All right. Everyone has been sworn in.
All right, let's start with the prosecution. You want to make your opening statements and let me know what what charges you're trying to push towards this defense here.
Alright, so I will be suing the LSP.
Can you make sure to shout, sir?
Sorry, can you hear me better now? Can you hear me better now?
Yes.
Okay, sorry. Okay, I will be suing the LSPD today for abuse of power. Basically just abuse. I don't know what else. My lawyer, he could not make it today, so I'll be representing myself. I don't really know what I'm doing, but that's all
in
we
the
got.
bag.
Okay.
The guy in the back is a lawyer, isn't he?
No, sir. I'm not sure why I'm here, but I've been called in here. I'm a senior investigator, Lace Lenevy.
All right. So, real quick, do you want to tell me what the abuse of power charge is going to relate to? Just give me a rundown of events that would cause you to want to sue these people.
Yeah, I was held in an interrogation room, and I got the shit beat out of me several times.
Okay. You want to tell me what you were holding interrogation, what the beating was, and just give me a whole tale of events.
Alright, so I was in there because the bar manager got raided and I was taken in for questioning. This Officer Doofy at the time, he was locked in the room with me and he was told he could do whatever he wanted, and he began to beat me till I was knocked out on the floor. And then shortly after that, Sheriff Brown, he had another sheriff deputy cover the camera, and he proceeded to kick me to the ground while trying to cover up everything.
Okay, give me just a second. Writing all this down in my note. All right. Anything else? Is that it?
No. Another charge would be corruption, Your Honor.
Okay. What would be the corruption?
I mean, the chief PD was standing there and watched everything, and he never acted upon anything. I believe that is corruption.
Yep, gotcha. Oops. All right, so you're telling me the chief of police, Sheriff Brown, and Doofy, and another cadet were all in a room beating you up, basically?
Everyone in here was in the room at the time Sheriff Brown kicked me.
Objection, Your Honor.
Including the FIB agent in the back?
No, just the front row. Just the front row.
Okay.
I don't know who the fuck that guy is.
All right.
know exactly who I am, criminal terrorist scum.
Hey,
Oh shit! Oh
hey,
shit!
don't make me kick you out.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
You'll have your time.
Now, if the prosecution doesn't have any further things to say, like the defense to come up and make a further their defense opening statement, whoever would like to from the defense.
Who's gonna talk?
Hugh.
Me again. All right. I guess you.
Okay.
Chief, I mean, I have no problems doing it, but I don't even know where to begin.
I
I mean, yeah, I feel like you thought this out more than I have.
No, I'll take it.
All right.
May I approach, Your Honor?
Yeah, of course.
All right. Say good afternoon to everyone. Basically, Your Honor, we're here to prove today that this man was not beaten by the LSPD. There was a couple of events that did transpire, but we would like to get all those events corrected right here before you today, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Now, the prosecution, would you like to put forth any evidence of any sort?
Oh, go ahead.
Well,
With the defense.
is it alright if I
with the defense.
speak with? Oh, you said prosecution.
Yeah.
I'm so used to
Yeah.
prosecuting people. I apologize, Your Honor.
With the defense. Sit down.
You're right.
Mr. Lopez and Mr. Doofus, if you would like to present any sort of evidence.
Yeah, so I believe we did get access to the cameras, and there's a few sections I would like to show you.
Gotcha. All right. Wherever you'd like to post that.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Okay, are those two the only two pictures that you have from the
Why?
Doofy ain't on his phone today. That's good.
All right. So, does the prosecution have any sort of evidence, like maybe you have some medical records after you went to, like, did you go to the hospital after you claim you were beaten, or?
I did not. Um, I did receive some medical attention at PD, but did not ever go to a hospital.
Okay. So your supposed wounds would not have been so bad that you would have required to go to the hospital.
I guess not.
Okay.
What? I think I got it. I think I have something.
All right, Mr. Lopez. I believe Mr. Doofy is trying to say something to you. Maybe you could
Yeah.
translate for the court.
Come out. Come out.
Alright, yeah, we have, if you'll check the email again in the same spot.
Yep.
It'll be Officer Doofy's body cam.
Okay, sounds good. You're gonna have to redo that somehow.
Okay, just, if you'll come do
Okay, we'll just we'll use those pictures. Is that okay? Or
I mean,
is there any other? Is there more than just those two pictures that you wanted to show?
no. Like I
Okay,
said,
then we'll go ahead and use that. It'll be from Doofy's body cam.
okay, yeah, that's fine.
Okay. All right. Any other evidence? Or are you good from now?
That is all for now.
Okay. Now, would the defense like to come up and view any of this evidence?
Alright, let's see.
Or explain it or anything like that?
Alright, Your Honor. If could I guess could we go in chronological order? The way I guess it makes sense.
Yep. However you want.
Okay. I would like to call up the FIB individual back there, Your Honor. I believe his name is Lace.
All right.
Lace Lenovich, I
Yes. Lace Lenovy from Lenovy.
Okay. Yep, you may approach. And yep, just stand behind that red bar right there. There you go.
Yeah, just right there. Alright, sir, I just want to remind
Yes, sir.
again, you're under oath.
Of course, sir.
Okay. Alright, for the record, sir, could you just go ahead and state your name for everyone?
I am Lace Lenovy, Senior Investigator, Federal Investigation Bureau, Department of Homeland Security, sir. My commanding officer is General Ashford.
Okay. So it is a good assumption that I would assume that you would work for the FIB with the hat, the badge, and the jacket.
Yes, sir.
Let me ask you this. Just simply put, do you know who I am?
Yes, sir. I know exactly who you are.
Okay. Do you know who this individual is right here? The first man right there.
Sir, FIB knows everything. and everyone in this courtroom.
Okay.
I even know what you had for breakfast, sir.
That's okay.
He says I think that's an invasion of
Oh,
privacy.
no. I just just let's keep it short. Just simple yeses and
Right.
no's, all right? What about the man next to him? To his right.
Yes. Yes.
Then you've already established that that's my seat. What about this individual right here? Do you know him?
Yes.
Mr.
Okay.
Chief, I believe he says he knows everybody in the court.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So sorry about that. I just want to, to be a little bit clear on that.
Yeah.
Do you recall the information that you gave to PD yesterday? Because I only point out these individuals, Your Honor, to show that these individuals were in the room when he gave a statement
That's fine.
yesterday.
Yeah.
Do you remember that statement, sir?
Yes, sir. We came to an agreement with after a tragic accident that transpired at Mission Row PD, and we agreed to share some of the intelligence
Okay.
in an upcoming anti-terrorist operation.
Okay. What was the information that you specifically told the officers in that room?
Regarding this individual right here, or
yeah, I guess for lack of better
or-
terms, yes. So you basically stated to us, and again, I do have this footage, Your Honor, that I would like to present. You did state to us that you knew about certain groups or organizations within the city, correct?
know every group, sir.
Say it again.
Every group, every member,
Okay.
everything they do,
Now, I believe
every family member.
I believe in the way you said it was you knew about the East Side Ballers, correct?
Yes, sir. Well, we know of them.
You said you knew about the Crypt Walkers, correct?
Crypt Walker, Italian Mafia, East Side Ballers, Pushkin Mafia,
Okay.
Pepe of Clean.
Okay.
We know
okay.
everyone.
Hold on. And then you didn't mention the last one, the cleaning thing yesterday, so I'm gonna totally just throw that one out. But
Right.
before that, you did say the Pushkin Mafia.
Right, sir.
Okay.
Pushkin Mafia,
Okay.
Russian criminal syndicate, sir.
Okay. Now, Your Honor, I don't know anything about this Russian syndicate, so I guess we'll just quote unquote say allegedly at this point. So the only reason that we even had an idea of this, Your Honor, is because Jesus, I should have clocked out. Jesus.
That's what I'm saying, man.
Really
Jesus.
clocked out. The only reason we knew about this is because I believe his name is Baba Yaga, is the owner of a business.
Pushkin Varga.
Yes, sir. He's not exactly the owner. He's a leader of this criminal syndicate,
Okay.
and also officially on paper the owner of the legal quote unquote part of this business. This is actually a front to the crime syndicate.
Okay. Now, Your Honor, I would like to just present to you just one little document right here, real fast.
All right.
What's happening?
Where is it at?
Yeah, bear with me.
Okay.
I got it, yeah.
All right.
So, Your Honor, wherever he placed his evidence on your table is the same place I'm going to place my evidence on the table, all right?
Sounds good.
Okay. So, right there, I will just show the name, the Pushkin Vodka, And then, as Mr. Lace Lenovich has stated, we do see that his name is on there as well as has been signed by the Department of License and Regulations from the city to operate a business within the city. All right, that is a legal document. We do see the seal of the city, proving that it is a legal document, Your Honor. Now,
Sorry, how is this relevant?
okay. So I'm getting there, Your Honor. I'm getting there. Now, saying that he is an FIB agent, Your Honor, and I've gotten multiple reports from different individuals throughout the city about said vodka in question. A few people have told me that this vodka is dirty or tainted, if you will.
Okay, so listen, I'm gonna stop you right there.
Mhm.
So we're here strictly for you to disprove abuse of power and corruption.
Mm-hmm.
The abuse of power in question is what transpired inside of the interrogation room.
Okay.
It's not about how according to the prosecution, nothing leading up to the interrogation room was relevant to the actual abuse of power.
I'm just trying to paint the picture of how we got to Tequila La and all that stuff, and how we actually.
That's
managed to
fine.
get
However,
him.
it is irrelevant.
Okay. And
The
it's
court
understood.
cases-
It's understood.
Yeah.
Sir, with your permission, can I have a comment? I believe I have valuable evidence to help you paint a better picture of who this man in question, the prosecutor, is.
If the judge will allow it, that's on him.
Okay. Yeah.
That is
Sure.
not-
Go ahead, just quickly.
First of all, I would like to say that some of this information is classified, and you will be charged with high treason if you are to disclose this information to anybody. I will personally drag your ass into the Guantanamo Bay. All right.
High language in Mr. Marston's courtroom.
I'm sorry. Listen. All right. Sometimes I get a little bit heated. All right. Anyway, this man right there, a prosecutor, he's a dangerous and wanted terrorist and a felon. I believe what he did yesterday, and we have evidence of that. FIB has everything. He stated a false flag operation. Because of him, 3 of my agents got severely hurt because he instigated an unrest, a civil unrest between our agency, Federal Investigation Bureau, and these individuals right here, police department. Shots were fired. Chain of command was breached. It was a whole mess, Your Honor. All right, that's all because of this man right there, the prosecutor.
Sir, if I may ask,
Okay.
what the fuck are you talking about?
Yeah, the thing. Okay, I'm gonna excuse your
And
language first
I
of all.
believe-
Second of all, nope. Real quick, I'm gonna cut you off right there.
Right.
So I want everybody here to be clear. We're not here to paint a picture of who Mr. Timmy is. He is the prosecution. You are the defense. Your only goal as the defense is to refute the evidence that he's putting forward of corruption and abuse of power. You do not need to prove that he's a bad guy. You don't need to prove any of that.
Sir,
Right. If you'd like to take him to court and press charges on him for being part of something, that's fine. But this this hearing here is not for that.
yeah, of
All right,
course,
so-
sir.
So-
I'm getting there, sir.
Okay, well let's speed it up just a little bit.
Right. So the same way he instigated that situation last, this court is all a fiction. All right. He's just trying to instigate unrest. He's working for a dangerous
Okay,
and
now I'm
world-class
going to cut you
criminal.
off again, and that's completely speculation. All right. Now-
That's not
He
speculation,
was
sir. If we
not
have
at-
proof.
He was not at PD when these
All right.
events happened.
He
Okay. You may sit down, Mr. Yeah, Mr. Lacey may step down. Now, okay. I mean, go ahead and present the next witness if you'd like. Yeah, of course.
How's she? Oh, alright. Oh, alright.
You gave me.
I'm in whiteboard number 1, just waiting on you, Chief. Of course, Chief.
Yeah, everyone needs to go there.
You gave me vodka. You gave me.
Okay, I'm gonna leave you.
You gave.
All right, I'm gonna need confirmation that you guys can see and hear. All right, perfect. I just sometimes it doesn't do for me. All right, let me go ahead and continue then.
Give me vodka. You gave me.
Okay, I'm gonna leave you for a few minutes here with Doofy, and we'll see when I come back if you have changed your mind. Okay,
You gave me the vodka. Why you give me the vodka?
Doofy, do what you have to do.
Do I have to do?
Oh, you know you kind of
Yeah,
came at
yeah,
an awkward
yeah,
time.
yeah.
Mr.
This
Mark.
is the dog with rabies I was talking about.
Oh my
Give
God,
me one
just-
second.
please
I'll
don't
come
beat
right
him.
up and greet
Hey,
you.
can I do anything?
Please don't
anything?
beat him. Please
Wait.
don't
Yeah,
beat him. Please.
All
don't
wait,
beat
all
him.
right, I'll come
what can
right
I do?
up, Mr. Marsden.
There's no
What?
cameras anyway.
There's no camera.
There is a.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
I'm
that's when the
honestly
power
gonna say
went out.
that's all I really need to see, to be completely honest with you.
Yeah,
See-
you know what happened after that.
Yeah. Well, seeing as Mr. Doofy was instructed on the radio and shouted to through the doorway to not. I'm just gonna speed this up here because I don't want to waste anyone's time. And the prosecution hasn't brought forth any evidence that would say specifically any.
Can I
abuse of
say
power
something,
or-
Judge?
Yeah, go ahead.
I did kick this man.
Uh-huh.
That's my statement.
Are you talking about Doofy or Timmy?
Timmy.
May I
oh,
bring up
ye-
Doofy
Sure.
and ask a few questions?
Don't know how useful he's gonna be, but sure.
All right.
Ah,
So Doofy.
ah.
Okay, so yesterday when Sheriff Brown left you in the room with me, did he or did he not say stay in the room with him and do whatever you want?
Nah.
I'm gonna stop you right
Objection.
there. He did not say do what you want. He said do what you have to do.
Yeah,
Which
man,
can
I
re-
do what I
can
had to
relay
do.
saying which can be also translated mainly to if the suspect acts out, you're cleared to do anything you need to. He didn't say you have to or do whatever you want.
Okay. You did hear him refer to Officer Doofy as a dog with rabies or has rabies?
Okay. I mean, it's okay. I mean, even if I did hear that, go on. What's your point?
I just don't think leaving me in a locked room with Officer Doofy, they know how he is. They told me he was not even an officer. If he's not an officer, why is he down there? I think that is their fault that he was left in the locked room with me while they watched him get in my face and then begin to beat me.
Hey there, Doofy.
It seems to me like your main.
I didn't
I mean-
finish my video.
Okay. Okay, I
Okay.
have one question. You don't need to show it on video. I just want to know. So, when Doofy started beating you, what happened?
I stood there and I didn't hit him back, not a single time.
Uh-huh.
And he didn't
Did-
stop till I was blacked out on the ground.
Did anyone come in and take Doofy out of the room after that?
I mean, after the fact, yes.
Okay.
After that, I ran out and they chased me.
Oh, so they took action on what you did.
And they allowed
Yeah,
him
they
back in
tell
the
'em.
room later on.
Yeah, I understand. Yep. All right. Yeah. So this seems more like your Mr. Lopez. Your gripe is mainly with Doofy. He is the one that assaulted
And-
you. He is the one that
And
abused his
Sheriff
power.
Brown, as he admitted to kicking me to the ground.
Yeah.
No,
Can I ask?
kicked you on your weak leg.
While the chief was watching.
Can I
and
ask
Chief did
why
nothing.
the Sheriff Brown you kicked the man?
Can I answer, Your Honor?
Yes, you will answer my questions. Why did you kick him?
So as we were in this room, I'm a very sensitive man, and I need to go and see a doctor about these issues. But as one of my under sheriff, Daphne Blake, walked into the room, this man started to sexually harass her, and that's my breaking point. So I went up to him, and I just kicked him once on his legs, and he, exaggerated the fall over, started moaning, and I said, "Oh, now you moan, but when you're killing poor people on the street, why don't you moan then?"
I'm sorry, I do not believe saying damn when somebody walks in the room is sexual harassment.
Oh, that's not the only thing you said. Whistling, cat calling.
I don't know. He did not say no a thing.
I did not whistle or cat call, sir.
He said, damn.
Okay. Well, listen, a simple kick on the leg. Obviously, Mr. Lopez, you weren't. I'm just going to speed this up and I'm going to get to a conviction here. Okay. I don't mean to rush anyone, but.
I plead guilty for kicking Mr. Lopez.
Okay. I mean, we can go through and maybe Lopez will get a. Alright, that's fine. Okay, listen. So, what I'm going to say here is that prosecution doesn't have enough evidence to prove any sort of corruption. The abuse of power, you do, but it would be directly toward Doofy, and I guess now Mr. Brown, now that he's confessing to it. But the PD as a whole did make an effort to stop Doofy from doing it. Whether or not they came in the room afterwards is not really relevant. They did tase him and.
Judge, can I just say something?
Don't
Yep.
stop me.
Sheriff Brown is not a part of LSPD.
Yeah, BCSO. Yeah.
So it's BCSO. I just want to correct, since he accusing corruption in LSPD.
Yeah. Okay. Now, yeah, I mean, there really is no evidence of any sort of, like I said, corruption. The PD provided their body cam footage showing that they did, call out on the radio not to hit you, not to let him hit you. They never said do what you want. They said, do what you have to do. I mean, the thing is, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna prove the LSPD. They're gonna be not guilty of abuse of power and not guilty of the corruption charge as well. However, I am gonna have the state award Mr. Lopez here a $1,500 compensation for him being beat and abused by Mr. Doofy here, even though he's on his side, and Mr. Sheriff Brown. Okay, that's going to be your compensation for your medical bills, your any sort of, whatever mental damage you went through with that. So you'll be getting that $1,500 compensation, but the PD will be not guilty of both charges. All right. Court is adjourned.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay.